Hi, I'm Shannon Moore, and I'm going to show you how students can use Generative Fill in Adobe Express to exemplify their understanding of characterization. Once you log in, you're going to go ahead and create from scratch on a poster, and then you're going to automatically go to text to image. Your students will then choose a character, and they will give a brief description in the text to image box of what they would like to see. The next step is to click. You'll use the drawing tool to create an area, and then in the box you will record what you want the generative. You will follow the same repeated pattern until you have all of the symbols you would like to use. Generative fill, fill in the area. By the end of it, your students will be able to add a variety of different symbols that represent the character, and they will have a completed graphic that shows who the character is, what they represent, and ultimately what matters. They will then download their graphic and turn it in. Wasn't that cool? So much better than a character paragraph, right? Try it out, see what your kids can do, and have a blast.